Narito naman ang mga hanay ng mga balitang panlalawigan. Ika-8 Knowledge Exchange Conference on Community e-Centers ang inilunsad sa Davao City. Alamin natin ang ulat mula kay Vicky de Guzman ng PTV Davao.
Pinamunuan ng Philippine Community E-Center Network sa tulong ng National Computer Center o NCC ng Information and Communication Technology Office ng Department of Science and Technology ang ika-8 Knowledge Exchange Conference on Community E-Centers sa Davao City. Kasabay nito ang Cloud Computing Roadshow para sa mga local governments at state educational institutions. Ito ay may layong palakasin pa ang importansya ng pagganap ng ICT or Information Communications Technology sa mga programa ng gobyerno. Sabi ni George C. Quintanar, ang chairman of the board ng Chief Information Officers Forum Foundation Incorporated, layo ng programang ito ang ihatid ang serbisyong gobyerno sa mga malalayong lugar.
It is quite clear enough that ICT will be the main driver, as I say, that the people will be able to feel government services. And if you notice, if you look at what is happening in the public safety, what is driving deterrence to crime? CCTV. The CCTV cameras is a technology equipment that is driving the deterrent to crime. So these are the examples of what ICT can do, In Metro Manila, we already have MMDA having an app for traffic management. And it's helping in the horrendous traffic in Metro Manila. And it's again technology, So these are the things that we would like to see also the public. Eventually, we would like to see the public be able to access government services using all of these community e-centers, their smartphones, their computers, and pay electronically online. This is what we're trying to do.
Sa kasalukuyan, mayroon ng 1,400 e-centers sa buong bansa. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Vicky de Guzman.